So Shane is going from his house to the forest to see the bees. So once he goes to this end in the background should change to that of a forest. We know that at this end x is 0. Let's create the command in such a way that when the x position of the child is less than 0, the background changes. Here we say if the x position is less than 0, the background should change. Otherwise, keep the current background. I told you about this in our previous lesson. We call these if conditions. So I clicked on logic. Next, drag the if block to the bottom of the move block. Now, let's create the command if the child's x position is less than 0. I clicked on sprites. Now, we go down like this. Look, here you can see a purple color block called size. I drag this block like this. Now, click this small arrow and select the x position. Now that we are changing the x position of the child, I clicked on sprites again and dragged this sprites block like this. Now, click on this small arrow and select the child. Here we see the equal sign. We said that if the child's x position is less than 0, the background needs to be changed to a forest. So I clicked on this small arrow and selected this icon. Since we need to say if the x position is less than 0, 0 needs to come here. So I clicked on math. Now drag the block which has 0. So here it says if the x position of the child is less than 0. At that point, we need to change the background. I clicked on world. Now drag the set background to block like this. Now I click on this small arrow and selected a background of a forest. The boy enters the forest from this corner. We know that x is 400 here. So, when we start walking into the forest, let's set the x position to 400. I will click on sprites. Now, drag the set size to block and place it below the set background to block. Now, click this small arrow and select the child. Now, click this small arrow where it says size and choose the x position. Now here type 400. Now click the run button and click the left arrow key until the boy moves to this end. Look, when the child comes to this corner, the background changes to the background of a forest and the child comes to the lower right corner. If you have got this, you have successfully completed one part of the coding. Now again, click the reset button.